Hey everyone, welcome to Flavors and Fragrance Recipe. Today we have a guest, special guest, Sudha Ai. We call her Sudha Ai and she is very good in cooking many recipes. Today she is going to show us ukdiche modak. So let's go in the kitchen. Okay, so as you can see that this is one coconut basically grated, and then to that Sudha Ai has added half cup of sugar and half cup of gur, and then she has mixed all this and she has just melted the gur in this coconut. So after you do all this, it's going to look like this, and you are also going to put cardamom powder, around 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, little bit of pinch of salt. Okay, so this is called as saran. So let's do the covering now. Okay, so in this cup I have taken this rice flour, exactly 1 cup, and now I am going to put a half teaspoon of salt. Okay, little bit of salt, very little, and we are also going to put 1 cup of water, exactly the same cup measurements we are taking, and we are going to first mix it down here only before putting it into the microwave. That's what Sudha Ai has told me to do, so I'm following her instructions. And now we are also going to put oil. It's going to be 1 tablespoon of oil, so around any spoon you can take, any oil you can take that is there in your house. And now I'm going to mix this down only before putting all this into the microwave, and then we are going to put this whole thing in microwave for 2 minutes, and that's how we are going to cook it, and that's how our ukkad is going to be ready. Okay, so see this, I have mixed this and it's very smooth and there are no lumps. Make sure that there are no lumps, and now we are going to put this in the microwave for 2 minutes. We have put this into our microwave and we will do it 1 minute first, and we'll see how it is cooked, and accordingly we'll increase 1 more minute. Okay, so you can see that after 1 minute I have taken it out. I'm whisking it, but it's not yet ready. The ukkad is not yet cooked. I'm going to put it back again for 1 to 2 minutes till the ukkad is ready. This is how it is, and we had to do it for 3 minutes, and now it's looking all cooked. You can see this. You can see this. I'll just show you. You can see this, how it's looking like cooked. So now I'm going to cool this down a bit, and then we are going to knead it into a soft dough. Okay, so now we are kneading this thing with little oil in our hand. It's hot, but we have to do it when it's hot only. So let's do this. We have kneaded this dough by using water and oil. Take a little bit of water and oil like this in a bowl, and then you have to use it while kneading so that your hands are not sticky and the dough is also smooth. Now you can see that the dough is very silky, loose-loosey, smooth, very nice. Okay, so this is how Sudha Ai is making. See how she is doing the petals, and this is how you are supposed to do all the remaining modak. Okay. Even if it breaks, no need to worry, because it will all come together. Put water and oil hand in the middle. Now she is going to put the saran, the mixture that we made, coconut and gur mixture. And fold it all together and make the petals again. See, very nice. See how this is looking. Yes, and see, this is how we have made all the modak ready, and now we are going to steam. So Sudha Ai is ready with this modak. Now she is going to cook them in the steamer. So thank you very much, Sudai, for the lovely modak recipe you shared with us on flavors and fragrance. We'll show you after the steaming how it is done. This is how we have put this modak for steaming in our steamer. This is our idli steamer, and we are going to steam them for at least 15 minutes. Our modak are ready.